Jai Hind everyone. I welcome all of you here in online study of mathematics. We are doing chapter number 5 algebraic expressions, and today we will do question number 5 of exercise 5.2. In this question, the volume of a rectangular box is given by length multiply width multiply height. Find the volume of rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. In my previous video I told you the meaning of respectively. Okay, in this question we have three things: length, breadth and height. And what is the meaning of respectively? Length is written out at one place, breadth is written at second place and height is written at third place. So what we will do in this question, in first part we have three terms. First term is 9xy, second is 2y square, third one is 5x cube, because they are separated by a comma. Okay, so this is your first, it will be your second, it will be your third. So now compare. Here we have on first number length, so in this part we have length is equals to 9xy. At second place we have breadth, so second place we have breadth, it will be equal to 2y square. And on third place we have height, so according to this third place we have 5x cube, so height will be equal to 5x cube. Okay, this is the meaning of respectively. So what we have to find? The volume of a rectangular box. And you need not to be afraid, because the formula of finding the volume of a rectangular box is given to you. If it is not given to you, then you have to learn it. Okay, you not have to depend on question. Question will provide you formula, so you have to learn the formula of finding volume of a rectangular box. We know that volume of a rectangular box. Rectangular box will be is in shape of cuboid. It is equals to length into breadth into height. L is equals to 9xy multiply breadth is equal to 2y square. H is equals to 5x cube. So first multiply their numerical part, 9 multiply 2 multiply 5, and now multiply their variable part, xy multiply y square multiply x cube. 5 2s are 10, 10 into 9 90, x 1 power, x 3 power, x raised to the power 4, y 1 power, y 2 power, y raised to the power 3. Cubic units answer, because area is found in square units and volume is found in cubic units. Cubic means 3 power. We are multiplying 3 terms, therefore unit will be in cubic units. If we are multiplying 2 terms in finding the area of a rectangle, so we will apply square units. Okay, so similarly you will find the volume of the rectangular box of other parts. Okay, now I am solving D part, leaving B and C part for you. According to D part we have a plus b, a minus b plus 15, and the third one is 5c. So you know what you have to do. On first place we have length, so L will be equal to a plus b, b will be equal to a minus b plus 15, and h will be equal to 5c. So volume of the rectangular box, volume of rectangular box is equal to L into B into H. Put the values of L, B and H from here. L is equals to a plus b, b is equals to a minus b plus 15, h is equals to 5c. Now you have to multiply three terms, three algebraic expressions. It's your choice what you are multiplying first. So I am doing the same. I will multiply binomial with trinomial first, and then after multiplication I will multiply it by 5c, that is the third term. So it starts with a will multiply by second whole bracket, a minus b plus 15. Now second term plus b, it will be multiplied by second bracket, a minus b plus 15. 5c will remain same. Now a will multiply by a into a square, plus minus minus, now a will multiply by b, ab, plus plus plus, a will multiply by 15, so it will be 15a. Now move on to next multiplication, b will multiply by a, so it will be ba, but I will write a first and b later, okay, because ba is equals to ab, so I will write in proper order according to English alphabet. AB plus minus minus, b into b, b square, plus plus plus, b into 15, 15b, and the complete bracket now will multiply by 5c. Here we have negative ab, positive ab, they are cancelled. What is left? A square minus b square plus 15a plus 15b. It has to be multiplied by 5c. Okay. So starts with this 5c will multiply all the four terms one by one, multiplying it by a square, so it will become 5a square c plus minus minus 5b square c plus plus plus, 15 5s are 75, a into c, ac, plus plus plus, 15 5s are 75, b into c, bc. All the terms are unlike terms, so we can't solve it further, therefore we can write it as your answer, cubic units. Cubic units answer. Okay, so I am leaving the remaining parts of this question for you as your homework, because in all these parts you have to perform the basic multiplication operation. Formula I have discussed with you, that the formula of finding the volume of a cuboid or cuboid is in a shape of rectangular box is equals to L into B into H. You have to select first value as L, length, second value as B, breadth, and third value as H, height. So length of the rectangular box is 9xy, breadth of the rectangular box is 2y square, and H, height of the rectangular box is 5x cube. Formula is L into B into H. Put the values of L, B, and H and perform the basic multiplication operation, and the answer will be in cubic units, because you are multiplying 3 times, and when we multiply anything 3 times the power will be 3, so cubic units. So in our next video we will solve question number 6 and 7, and then we will close exercise 5.2. Thanks for watching the video. Keep doing your work on regular basis in your notebook, and because whenever I will take your test or we will have your half yearly examination, you need to have your proper notes, so that you can revise your chapters for your exam. Thank you and have a nice day.